Sarura Kids.
Eddie, you're mucky.
Yes, Eddie. What on earth happened to you?
Musadaro Naimi. Dangan shitamba mumadaka.
You were playing in mud?
Hongu Kwazi.
And you never called us to join you?
Ah. Kana kumbozufunga onozira.
Don't worry, Eddie. We can always play in the mud together later.
Saka imi makachena asi ini takasviba.
Yes, Eddie. We are clean and you are dirty. And that's what we are going to learn about today with our friends. We are learning about clean and dirty. But first, let's learn how to say it in Shona.
Yes, friends, let's say Kuchena.
Well done. Kuchena means clean.
Now, let's say Kusviba. Well done, you guys. Kusviba means dirty.
Thank you, Trymore. Why don't we go and find some things out there that are clean and dirty?
Yes, Eddie. Get clean first and then we'll go.
Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena,
Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena, Kusviba Kuchena. Hona imba iyi. Imba iyi yakachena here kana kuti yakasviba? Hongo. Imba iyi yakachena.
Hona imba iyi. Imba iyi yakachena here kana kuti yakasviba? Hongo. Imba iyi yakasviba.
Hona mwana uyu. Mwana uyu akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongo. Mwana uyu akachena.
Hona mwana uyu. Mwana uyu akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongo. Mwana uyu akasviba.
Hona majombo aya. Majombo aya akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongo, majombo aya akachena.
Ona majombo aya. Majombo aya akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongo, majombo aya akasviba.
So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that Kuchena means clean. We also learned that Kusviba means dirty.
We also saw things around us that are clean and dirty. Can you remember the clean things that we saw? We saw a clean house. We also saw a clean child. The last clean thing that we saw was a clean pair of wellies.
And do you remember the dirty things that we saw today? We saw a dirty house. We also saw a dirty child. The last dirty thing that we saw was a dirty pair of wellies.
We loved discovering clean and dirty things with you today. Why don't you look around today? What clean or dirty things can you find?
Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again next time when we will be learning about on and off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids YouTube channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later!